Hello mga loves. Good morning. So, yung asawa ko is look DC. Aroy ginoo ko. He's planning to paliguan daw niya yung bahay kasi ang dumi talaga mga loves. Pati doon din ang dumi. So, kaya kailangan daw niyang paliguan. So, kailangan ko siyang i-babysit. Nagalit siya sa akin kasi sabi ko sa kanya i-babysit ko siya mga loves. Nagalit siya kasi bakit naman ibibisit ko daw siya, kaloka. Anyway, so hintayin natin siya kasi naloka siya. Sabi ko, mag-widwalk ako, maglinis para makapira ako. Kasi nga, kapag magtrabaho ako yung mga widwalk, yung mga cleaning na hard, magkapira ako. Kukuha ko ng pira sa sarili ko para savings ba. Right? Widwalk. I have to babysit this guy right here. So, para ganyan lang mga loves kapag magtrabaho ka sa bahay mo, suldihan mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka magigilty na nagkukuha ka ng pera sa account mo, di ba? So, yun lang yun siya kasimple para...
Well, give me a little funnel you have.
What funnel? Okay. It's in the garage. Ngayon, sinuguan. Gisugo na ko niya, no? Sabi pa niya sa akin, kunin ko daw itong funnel. Sabi ko, funnel. Yung funnel sa Pilipinas is funnel nga kargahan nagsaging. Kargahan nagsaging. Here's your funnel dong. Funnel. F, right? F. Not funnel is like a truck for a banana transportation. I have to do this. Come on. Here, hold this thing.
Just let me do what I'm doing, please. Ay. Just let me do it. You're gonna like
No, you can't because you can't do it.
I can't. Okay.
Hold it. I don't even know. And what are you gonna do next? Kapag ganyan yung suot niya, uniform is trabaho sa bahay na yan. Basta ganyan. Mahirap na itong pabayaan mga loves kasi tumanda na talaga. Mahirap na yung likod niya masakit. Yung tuhod niya masakit. Halos masakit na lang lahat. Kaya hindi pwedeng pabayaan. Tulungan ko na siya mga loves. Did you wash over there? There's a lot of dirt.
What?
Over there. Did you see?
I didn't.
It's still in there.
Yeah, I know. It's not a miracle. It's just,
No, I'm talking about the leaves and the thing when I brush.
yeah, but
So, tinulungan ko na lang siya mga loves. Ginamit ko itong brush.
that's
What? 30 seconds. Pero yung chemical sobrang strong mga loves. Nakakatakot. Sakit sa ulo. So, nag-start na naman siya dito sa kabila. Sobrang dumi dito talaga at ang taas hindi masyadong maabot. So, kaya tinatry talaga namin at hindi namin ito natapos that day. And yun, ikumpara ko lang dito sa kabila. Sobrang dumi nito kanina pero yun, malinis na siya. So, ang laking kaibahan talaga. So, ito dito, kami ni Mister. Gumamit kami ng hagdanan kasi sa taas hindi talaga makukuha. Pero yun, siya yun talagang gusto talaga niyang dinisit kasi pangit na talaga mga darling, no? At nilayo ko lang yung ating kalamansi at lime para naman, hindi sila masisira sa chemical na ini-spray ni Tami. Si Tami, nag-grocery siya. Look, andun siya, oh. Nag-grocery. So, dinadrive ko lang po siya dito kasi hindi ko alam, oy, bakit nag-grocery siya. Tanungin natin siya kung anong, hindi na nga ako nagbihis. Wala na. Dinadrive ko lang siya. Sumasama lang ako sa kanya. Kasi, yun, parang ang dami namang binibili niya, oy. Ang dami talagang binili niya. What did you buy now? Huh?
Want some shrimpies?
More shrimp. More shrimpers. What is that? Lemonade?
Yeah, pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade? What is that? Lobster. ay. Bumili na naman siya ng lobster. Tignan niyo mga lobs, oh. Ito talaga yung pinunta niya dito. Let me see din, oh. Aray. Oh my goodness. Let me see din. Hala, buhay pa man ito. Hala, uy, buhay pa na lobster. Oh my goodness. Buhay na lobster. Still alive.
Yeah.
Honey.
It would have steamed for you, but I figured you'd rather cook it yourself.
Oh my goodness.
I can bring it back in and have them steam it.
Why you buy another seafood? I'm gonna have high blood here. That's why I'm always mad.
Yeah, that's why you're mad. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What did you buy? I see a lot.
Well, I bought some steaks because they were $6.99.
Another steak? You have tons of steak in the freezer.
And then they charged me too much. I had to go back.
Like what is it? Too much?
Because they charged me $10.99.
It's twice already here happened. This area here.
Well, it was my fault because it says digital coupon, but I wasn't looking at this. I just threw this in the cart, but I didn't actually look at it.
And how much is it?
And there's a sign that says $6.99. I said, oh, okay. So I grab them, and I get there, and I'm looking at the receipt on the way out. It's like, wow, it's only $2 off. These things are marked at $12.99. $2 off makes it $10.99. So then I had to go back, customer service. So yun na siya. Cold cuts. Ito yung mga binili niya. Oh, Hon, you surprised me with this too, Hon. Yeah. This good surprising. Oh, thank you, Hon. And this one, oh, this is expensive, Hon. And more steak. Like, oh my God. Ang daming steak sa bahay. This one, sa baba. This one, I'm going to put this in a refrigerator. That's when tomorrow when you get home, you just fresh cook, okay? Do you want it now? 4 o'clock. I don't really feel like cooking this hour, mga darling. You cook a lot. That's quick. This one, I'll cook this when you're home. That I can cook it with potato. The thing is, we don't have potato. I'll put this in the refrigerator, Han. Okay. Because I just need to buy the potato and carrots and mushroom. This is good, the one that I used to cook. Yeah, I said I would get mushrooms, not no mushrooms. But you, if I know you buy this one. I didn't know I would buy it. I see things and I thought, that's a good idea. That's what I said, oh, Marianne likes those stupid things. That's not stupid. This is stupid. Hi mga loves. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa taas, no? So yung, ano ni Mr. ba? Yung surprise niya sa akin na lobster. Busog na busog ako mga loves, as in. Ilagay ko dito sa clip. Ilagay ko dito yung kain ako ng kain, as in kahit maliit siya, sobrang busog ko kasi nga, ano, ang sarap niya talaga. Yung parang, basta buhay pa mga loves. Basta presko pa. Iba talaga ang ano, sobrang tamis niya. Ang ano, nagawa lang dito ako. Meron lang ako ditong tinatrabaho mga loves, kaya andito ako sa taas. Nagawa ako ng thumbnail. And, yun, nandito din yung pusa. I don't know where he is now. So, ganyan talaga yung asawa ko. Mahilig talaga siyang mag-surprise mga loves. Right? Lalo na kapag mga seafood or mga karne. Na-surprise nga din ako kasi nga meron ding karne. And then, yun. Saka alam nyo na. Kapag ano na, karne na. Yun, like beef ribs ba? Paborito ko kasi yan. So, kaya alam talaga niya. So, kaya, yun. Alam niya kung paano ako maging masaya. Grabe kasi yan si Mister kapag kapag mag-surprise ba. Ay, mga pagkain or kung hindi alahas pagkain, no. Ganyan yan siya. Kaya alam nyo, paminsan masasabi ko parang gusto ata niya mataba ako. Yun yung sa isip ko. I think gusto niya na mataba ako. Kasi yun na lang yung pinagagawa niya para palaging bumibili ng mga pagkain. Hay buhay. Ay, halabak. Ay, halabak. Hi. Hi. Halabalibag. Halabalibag. May ginagawa si Mister sa kusina. Hindi ko alam kung ano mga loves. Tingnan natin. Ang ingay niya. Ang ingay niya. And what are you doing? Huh?
Subway.
Me and Hans are enjoying upstairs. Huh? You're busy, Manoy. Do you know where to put the thing? Every time you do something, it scares me because you dabog. Of course you know where it is.
No, I know where some of them go, but some of them don't go there.
It's right here, under here.
I know, but not all of them go there. Like, I'm saying,
Under.
every once in a while, there's one that doesn't
Go.
fit here. It's like,
They'll fit.
like that one doesn't usually go here.
Yes, and now, leave it there. Why you have to? You don't have to do that. Don't use. Where did you get this? Right here.
It was sitting there drying stuff.
Okay. My husband is like, I have to run downstairs because he bang everything. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. Ang kaldero nagwala. The caldero is like pang, pang, pang. Even Hubs went running. So, hi, ang aking asawang baby. Hi, Dimp. I'm sorry, I won't leave you upstairs. Hi, Dimp. Hello, Dimple. Hi, Dimp. Hi. Ay.